Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Rainbet Australia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first thing, head on over to rainbet.com. Make sure to sign into your account. And you might need one of these running in the background. And now once you've done that, go ahead and click on the big green wallet button. From here, we can make a deposit, and they've got different types of deposits we can choose. So where it says select currency, we can select crypto, and we can also withdraw from here. We can buy crypto as well, and we can also redeem a promotional gift card code if you got anything like that. So go ahead and click on deposit, select your currency. So it can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, etc. They got extensive list here. Then from here, simply select your network and deposit address. Then from here, depending on your choosing method, enter the required details such as amount and payment information. Then from there, simply confirm deposit, review your deposit details and confirm the transaction. Then once the transaction is confirmed, the funds will appear in your Rainbet account balance automatically.